In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Sony TV. This is a Sony Google TV, as you see. First thing, you need to be on the home menu, as I am right now. Press the home button over here if you're not over there, and then go with the right side arrow on the top of the screen until you select the settings right over there. Once you're on settings, select all settings. It's the cogwheel on the top. Go down and select system. Select system, then go down and select about. Go down until you select reset. Select reset, factory data reset, and now you'll have to confirm because this will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, all accounts, files, and downloaded apps. So it will be completely wiped out and the TV will be like brand new. So if you're reselling this TV, you don't want the next person to have access to your Google account or any apps or any things you have done with this TV. Well, by doing this, well, it will be fresh, like brand new. So go ahead, select factory data reset, press enter. It will take a few minutes, sometimes 2-3 minutes. The TV will shut down during that reset. Don't touch anything until you see the setup menu appearing on your display. So I suggest you come back in 5 minutes just to make sure it's done completely. And yeah, once you've done this, you'll be able to set it up with a new account, fresh, like it was never used before. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, take a moment and write a comment, subscribe and like. This is helping my channel. I thank you and I wish you a beautiful day.